Yeah, I plan on doing another 6-week challenge, probably around November 5th to December 14th, kind of finish off the year right. 42 days, right. Yeah, I'll shoot you over some info. In the meantime, let's head back to the box. Hey guys, I just wanted to reach out and say that I'm opening up pre-registration, okay? There's no commitment necessary in the pre-registration. You're just gonna shoot a message below, type me, put your hand up, tag a couple of friends, share your post to see if you can get some friends that wanna do this with you. 6 weeks, it's gonna be from November 5th to December 14th. You're gonna be expected to train 2 to 3 days a week. I know some days you're not gonna be able to make it, completely understandable, we'll work around that. But really aggressive, 6 weeks, end of year challenge. Shoot me a message below. Let's get this going. I want to fill this class. The 12-week filled in 4 days, okay? So I'm expecting this is going to probably fill a lot faster than that. So if you want to get in on this, or at least get more info, shoot me a message below. I'll talk to you soon.